Welcome. In front of me is a HAFURY GT20, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. And on one of the pages we should have our Do Not Disturb mode. Now if you don't see it on the first one, you can swipe to the left and this will show you the second page where the toggle is located for me. Once you see it, you can hold the toggle and it will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it will function. Now I'm just going to touch upon some of the more important options like calls, which will allow you to select who can call you. And then you have also options for repeated callers, so if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, it will bypass whatever you have selected right here. And you can also select who can message you. And scrolling down, we have default duration. This is a neat option. I would recommend setting this up on a timer. I personally like to set it up to something like 4 hours, and the reason for that is whenever you enable the mode itself manually, so like this, it would normally be running indefinitely till you turn it off. But with the timer, even if you forget about it, and the phone will turn it off for you after the 4 hours. So that's a pretty nice option. Now the last option that I consider to be semi-important is the schedule. So this allows you to set up a schedule so the mode turns on and off automatically based on the provided start and end time and also day of the week. Now once you set it all up the way you want it, you can manually toggle it on or off from here, like so. And if you plan to use a schedule, just make sure that the schedule is toggled on in the settings. So just to kind of show you, so in here, once you create your schedule, when you do it, it will automatically become enabled. So when you go back, as you can see, it's already toggled on. So all you need to do is make sure that it's toggled on in here, and the phone will then turn it off and on for you. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.